First crush, man.
Oh, first crush, first and last crush, was I think way back when I was 12 or 13, and I've really just been in that same relationship ever since.
Really?
Yeah,
So you have a long-term
yeah.
relationship.
Yes, I do. I don't
Why have
think
I
a lot
not?
of people don't know this about
Nobody
me.
knows, हाँ? Because मैं देख रही थी इसमें तो कुछ लिखा मैंने कहा इसकी लव लाइफ कहाँ है यार मतलब
कोई
बचपन से
सवाल ही नहीं था उसके
हाँ
बारे
भाई
में।
मुझे
मैं
तो
छुपाती नहीं हूँ,
पाँच
अगर कोई
छः
पूछते मैं बता
why
देती हूँ.
not exactly and
हाँ.
what's there to hide.
No, absolutely nothing.
Wow. So this
Absolutely
is what
nothing.
10, 12, 13,
This
14,
is
15.
14 years.
माशाल्लाह
Yeah, that's it.
लोगों की मैरिजेस नहीं होती
I know, I know. No, I'm
Wow.
very, very blessed.
Okay.
I
From your
truly am.
community, we were talking
Same
about
community,
it?
childhood
Mashallah.
sweethearts, grew up together quite literally.
Wow.
And still going strong.
And empowering you too because you're
And
growing with this
empowering me. A
person.
very, very kind, humble, and secure man.
Wow.
Yeah.
So when's the big day now?
Hopefully soon.
Really?
Hopefully in the next 2 years. I'm hoping.
Yeah.
Honestly, for me, like, I could get married right now. Like, it's
Yeah.
like that at this
Yeah.
point. Because, like, we're so integrated in each other's lives. And, like, his family is like mine is like
So
his.
there's nothing really,
So there's
it's just
nothing-
tying a knot.
It's
basically.
just, yes. It's
Excel,
just that.
Excel अकेला रह जाएगा.
Yeah, Axel.
Excel.
Yeah.
We'll have
Axel
to
and
find
him
him
are like
somebody.
best friends.
Huh? Oh, okay,
It's
yeah.
just-
बस
yeah.
वो बिल्कुल अकेला नहीं है. We'll find him someone as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe he'll meet somebody at the wedding. ऐसे होता है
maybe,
ना, weddings में ही
maybe.
होती है ना ज़्यादातर मुलाकातें लोगों से.
हाँ, बहुत बार.
Wonderful. अच्छा. So, wow.
Yeah, so I've never
nice.
actually dated or
Yeah.
any, like, had crushes, like, ever.
So this is
Which-
because you're so lucky, mashallah.
I really
You know,
am,
excuse me,
yeah.
it doesn't happen every day.
Yeah.
Mashallah, it's like
Yeah.
amazing. Okay,
Thank
good
you
for
so
you.
much.
Same community. So
Yeah.
same religion also then.
Same religion, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, like, I really
and
am
he's proud
so
of you,
blessed.
like when he sees you doing everything.
He is my biggest
Mashallah.
cheerleader,
Yeah.
honestly.
Yeah.
And also he just, I think the most important thing in a long-term relationship, and I can only speak from experience, is you gotta just let the other person be
I agree.
themselves.
You gotta love them for who
You
they are.
can't dim their light.
Ah,
You have to let them sparkle.
Yeah.
And I think that is the key.
Yeah.
He just lets me be me. And that's a message for all these young ladies
जो
out
नहीं
there.
होता
Yeah.
यहाँ पे बिल्कुल भी
Yeah.
because you're always trying to change people in relationships in
I
Pakistan.
think it just takes a really secure human being in order to
Yeah.
let the other person be,
Yeah.
because they're also content with where they're at.
Right, exactly,
know?
exactly.
So then they can be happy for you then.
yeah, and also, I mean, obviously, there's chemistry as well, right? You have to be attracted to that person.
Yeah.
But that physical attraction is very temporary. It's
Yeah.
always like, does that
It
person
goes
make me
away.
laugh?
Yeah.
Am I safe? Am I feel good? You know, going out, liking the same things, or not even liking. Sometimes it's the balance also.
Yeah.
You know, this is great. So wow, does he have a name?
Yes, he does.
What is his name?
Should I say it?
Yes. why
Okay,
not?
his name is Francis.
Francis.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Wonderful. I'm so happy. And he's working?
Yes, he is.
Okay, fantastic. So you're not migrating. मुझे नहीं लगता.
I don't want to, at least not right
Yeah.
now. Like
Yeah.
where I'm at in life with my
Yeah.
career and the things that I'm doing, I feel very settled. I feel very
Yeah.
content and happy. I miss my family though,
Of
because I'm
course.
so close to my father,
Yeah.
especially. But I'll see them soon.
Of course.
And
Yeah.
yeah, I don't know. I'm just navigating. Nothing is final.
But
Also,
it's-
I'm not much of a planner.
Yeah,
I
but
don't
it's
really
okay.
plan
You don't
things
have
too much.
to do that also right now. As long as you have economically you're stable
Hmm.
and happy in your own world, whichever world it is, which is not singing, painting, not painting, doing a movie. This is a time to explore and get there. But I think the most important thing that I am seeing, which is coming out of you, is this the podcast and speaking up and empowering other people and not keeping quiet. not staying silent, which is exactly what FY is all about.
Yeah.
When people ask me कि FY का मतलब क्या है, Y का मतलब है
That's so
question.
cool. Yeah. I know the
Question
story
why.
behind this also because
Yeah.
I've watched your podcast.
Yeah, so you know what it is. It's about
Yeah.
questioning things.
But you
कि-
know, I can say the same for you. And you're such an inspiration to people like me, the younger lot. I truly mean that. I'm not just
Okay.
saying this, like even like off camera or whatever.
Right.
When we look at women like you who have paved the way because you have, it's inspiring. And also to know कि यार अगर कुछ खराब हो जाए, we can fall on someone's shoulders.
Yeah.
Someone will be there to
Yeah.
hold us.
Right.
You know, that
Right.
sense of community is very
Yeah,
important. You
yeah.
can't stand alone. You can't shine alone.
Right.
It takes a lot of people to support you, and everyone then kind of grows together, right?
And I think also a very important thing जो मैं आज बोलूँगी, your stories are other people's stories. And your why is other people's why. It's just that कोई बोल नहीं रहा. अगर
Yeah.
कोई बोलेगा नहीं तो आगे से जवाब कैसे मिलेगा,
मिलेगा?
right? या आगे से fix कैसे होगा,
Absolutely.
right? अच्छा, so we talked about the love life, yeah, we talked about the childhood. अच्छा ठीक है, क्या रह गया?
क्या
तो
रह
मज़े के
गया?
सवाल थे, वही मैंने सुने थे, मैंने कहा हाँ. Okay, so I mean, everything sounds really good. You've never had to heal or have your heart broken.
Like romantically?
I know not necessarily heart is broken for many reasons. I want to go
had
to college. Your
heartbreak.
father says नहीं. ये
Yeah,
मेरी तो
okay.
अच्छी life तुम्हारी गुजर रही है इस वक्त मैं जो सुन रही
Yeah,
हूँ.
I think I have my parents to thank for it. Really.
But when they
my
left,
dad,
was your heart broken? Did you cry?
Yeah, I'm very heartbroken right now. If you ask
Did you
me,
cry?
because I still cry.
What
I
about
am a
your
crier.
grandmother? You were close to her.
I think the first time my heart broke was when my grandma passed away.
Okay.
So my grandma
How
and
old-
I
how
were
old were you?
roommates. I was in university, thesis year. How old am I now? I think I was 22,
22, huh?
21, 22-ish. No, I wasn't 21 because I celebrated my 21st birthday after she passed.
Acha,
So I was 20. And she was old, but we never thought she was old because she was very active, right? Like she would wake up early, make breakfast for me, then make breakfast for my brothers, then for my dad,
Wow.
sometimes for my mom as well if she wanted. Like she was very
Active.
active.
So
And
it was
we
sudden.
it was very sudden.
Nice.
And she passed away, and and I think a family, like the dynamics of my house kind of changed overnight. And I think all of our lives changed overnight.
Because she was the pillar.
She was really
She is the roof which was holding up everybody.
She was, you know,
Yeah.
I saw a shift in everything at home
Right.
and in myself. I think I
Yeah.
really grew up. And the finality of death became very real for me. And
And
after that, I think I kind of have lived my life like that now. Because I know that tomorrow's not promised.
Nahin, exactly.
So you have to just
Yeah.
live in the
But
present.
how did you deal with the grief?
I think I'm still dealing with it.
Okay.
I don't think it ever leaves. I think you just kind of learn how to
Manage.
make that a part of your life, right? It's like you just kind of you take that with you wherever you go. And I remember my grandma in the smallest of things because her life was so big and she taught us so many things. I could never possibly,
But you will continue talking.
you know,
The thing is
yeah.
कि वो कहते हैं ना कि लोग चले जाते हैं मगर उनकी बातें रह जाती हैं
Absolutely.
और फिर वही चीज़ें आप दूसरों से बोल रहे होते हो.
बिल्कुल.
वे आपके पेरेंट्स कहते हैं पेरेंट्स ने कहा कुछ चीज़ें हमें नहीं कंटिन्यू करनी चाहिए मगर कुछ चीज़ें हम कंटिन्यू
Yeah.
करते हैं अपने बच्चों के
Yeah.
साथ स्पेशली जब हमारे बच्चे होते हैं हमें नहीं पता होता कि भाई हाउ टू पेरेंट और फिर वो बातें याद आ जाती है पेरेंट्स की फिर वो
Yeah.
आप बोल रहे होते हो.
I think you're like your like my grandma, in my eyes, could do no wrong.
Yeah.
Like she was just that wise woman in the house.
She was also for you. She
Yeah.
was that one person who understood you as
she
a child.
truly understood me.
Yeah. So
And I think she also, like, she was like my aunt Agni also, like
Yeah.
my therapist also. You know, like if I'd have a fight with my dad,
Yeah.
I'd go complain to her about it.
Right.
If I had a fight with my mom, I'd go complain to her about it. And she'd just listen. And
So
she
who
was
do you-
always on my side, you
Right,
know?
yeah.
So that
she
kind
sounds
of.
really special. Who do you
she
go
is
talk to
special.
now?